Alright, we got a visitor. He's back. Round 2. Gonna go ahead and try to replace those little those headlights that he's got. So I think we finally got the right bulbs ordered. As soon as we get this bumper off, we'll go ahead and discuss what he got. But if you guys missed the details on how to remove the front bumper on a 2021 Hyundai Elantra, I'll lay it down in the description below the last video and we'll go ahead and cover everything. It's like deja vu. I feel like we were just doing this. Alright, moment of truth. Here are the new bulbs. So we're just going to break down the one headlight, make sure everything fits before we even go ahead and attempt to do the other one.
Make sure it fits in the housing first. And we are in.
Alright, so I think we're good. I think that's fitting in there. We'll make sure we plug in that harness. Make sure it works with the car first. And I think we might be good. There's your part number of the bulb right there. It's an HB3. That way you know what exactly works for this car. And as always, to make your life a little easier, I will also lay that down in the comment section down below or the description box. But that way you can go pick some up for yourself. Alright, all plugged in, so we just want to make sure everything works electrically. If it does, we'll go ahead and do the other side. So let's go ahead and get a little comparison too while we're at it. So keep in mind, this is still the stock side. Alright, right off the bat I can tell we're good. I think it works. So there you go, that's more of a clear white type of light right there versus the yellow halogen. So we'll have to go ahead and drive it around at night and we can update you guys on what it looks like at night. I'm pretty sure right off the bat it looks like it's going to be darker or a lot lighter, which would be way more beneficial while driving this thing at night. So looks pretty good. So safe to say these bulbs work. Headlight number 2.
You know, just another thing. The dealership tried to charge me $180 just for the bulbs because they weren't released yet and they're only on the limited. I got these on Amazon for like $40, so you're saving a good $140. You do it yourself in like 15 minutes.
And then on top of the bulb itself, they're probably going to charge you to go ahead and remove the bumper and everything like that. So keep in mind with this video, you're going to save money on the bulb and then you're going to save money on the labor costs because now you know how to remove the bump. So hopefully this video helps you guys out there. And any other further questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment down below and we'll try to address them for you. But pretty much straight, simple swap of the headlight bulbs, and I think we're going to be good with that. So we're going to go ahead and finish up this second one, get it reinstalled in the car, throw the bumper back on, and call it a video. And on top of that, we'll probably show you guys the car at night to give you a good gauge of what to expect with these bulbs as well. Alright, so there you go. Both headlights bulbs are swapped out. Only took about 20 minutes. That's the removal of the bumper, replacing out those 2 headlight bulbs, and I think we're good there. Yeah, so there's the old stock ones. Yeah, we don't even freaking need those anymore. Alright, say bye. 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 I swear I need a freaking shop at my house. Always working on the cars. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you're a Hyundai Elantra owner, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Lets me know you guys care, you found it informative, and maybe we'll create more Hyundai videos in the future. So other than that, any questions, comments, or concerns, lay them down in the comments below and I will try to address them for you. other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching this video. Never live your life on auto, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.